Regenerative farming, how nature-inspired agriculture can heal the earth. Hello, eco-warriors. Welcome back to Little Planet Foundation. I'm Siobhan, and today we're diving into a fascinating and hopeful way that we can heal the earth and protect our future, regenerative farming. You might have heard the term before, but what exactly does it mean? Well, regenerative farming is a nature-inspired approach to agriculture that not only sustains the land but actually improves it, creating healthier soil, better water retention, and more biodiversity. Let's take a closer look at how this innovative farming method works, and why it could be the key to restoring balance to our planet. To understand regenerative farming, we first need to take a step back and think about conventional farming. Traditional farming methods often rely on chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and monoculture crops, meaning the same crops are grown year after year in the same soil. This can lead to soil depletion, a loss of nutrients, and damage to the ecosystem. But regenerative farming flips the script. Instead of depleting the land, it works with nature to restore and enrich the soil, create more resilient ecosystems, and even reduce carbon emissions. So, how does it work? Well, there are a few key principles that make regenerative farming different. Let's break them down. Soil health. Regenerative farming starts with improving soil health. Healthy soil is rich in microorganisms, fungi, and nutrients, which helps crops grow strong and healthy. Practices like cover cropping, where farmers plant crops that protect the soil during off-seasons, and composting organic matter, bring life back to the soil. Cover crops, like clover or vetch, protect the soil from erosion and help fix nitrogen in the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. This natural process makes the soil healthier and more fertile year after year. Pretty amazing, right? Crop rotation and diversity. Another important practice is crop rotation. By alternating crops each season, farmers prevent pests from getting too comfortable, reduce disease, and maintain soil fertility. But the real magic happens when farmers embrace biodiversity, growing a variety of plants that support one another. By including different species, from legumes to herbs and flowers, farmers create a more resilient ecosystem. But the real magic happens when farmers embrace biodiversity, growing a variety of plants that support one another. By including different species, from legumes to herbs and flowers, farmers create a more resilient ecosystem. This helps attract beneficial insects, like pollinators and pest predators, and even improves yields. Diversity is key. It's like a team of superheroes working together to fight off threats and keep the environment balanced. Agroforestry. Regenerative farming also encourages agroforestry, the practice of integrating trees into farming systems. Trees help reduce soil erosion, improve water retention, and provide habitats for wildlife. They also absorb carbon dioxide, helping to combat climate change. Think of it as farming with a green heart. Not only do the trees help the land, but they also help the farmer by offering shade for crops, creating windbreaks, and providing additional sources of income. Holistic grazing. And let's not forget about holistic grazing. This is where livestock are rotated around different sections of the farm to prevent overgrazing and help the grass regenerate. This approach can lead to healthier pastures, increase biodiversity, and even sequester more carbon in the soil. By allowing the grass to recover before it's grazed again, farmers can maintain healthy pastures while keeping their livestock happy and productive. So, why should we care about regenerative farming? Well, the truth is, it has the potential to solve some of the most pressing issues of our time. It can help restore degraded land, reduce carbon emissions, improve biodiversity, and even increase food security. By regenerating our soils and ecosystems, we can create a more sustainable food system that will nourish both people and the planet for generations to come. But the journey doesn't end with just the farmers. We all have a part to play. Supporting regenerative farming means choosing products that are grown sustainably and supporting businesses that prioritize the health of our planet. Look for local produce from regenerative farms, get involved in community agriculture projects, or even try growing your own small garden with regenerative practices. Every little step counts. Thank you for joining me today, Eco Warriors. I hope you now see the potential of regenerative farming and the incredible impact it could have on our planet's future. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Little Planet Foundation, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, remember, we all have the power to create a greener, healthier future. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep loving our little planet.